Hello Ride-On peeps. So one of the final little farkles I'm going to do on the GS for now is just a stand extender or a Bigfoot or whatever you want to call it really. It's something that just goes on the end of your kickstand that basically stops your bike from sinking down in the mud or the gravel when you leave it on uneven surfaces. It's probably quite reassuring if you're short of leg as well really. It's just that extra reassuring footprint on the ground. So I think I got this one off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if I did. It's got a nice kind of rubberized, not rubberized, but serrated is what I mean to say, base plate, and the top plate has 3 screws in. I've already taken 2 out, this one here, and they're all 3mm Allen keys. You'll notice there's a little hole here, that's to drain any moisture that may get into the footprint. Another nice touch, and it's got a nice solid feel to it with a laser etched logo of the R1300GS, so I think it'll look pretty nice when it's on. And it comes with 2 little sticky magnets by the look of it. One is for this base plate and one that goes underneath your kickstand just to align them up properly, and then you screw the 2 halves together. So I'm going to undo this one, just take off the top plate, and then we just slide the kickstand on here, put the top plate on top, bolt them up. Very simple. So I might have said these 3M pads are sticky, or magnetic rather. They're not, they're just little stickies, and one is to go underneath the kickstand, and the other is to go in that slot there. So what I've done with the kickstand one is I put it in kind of upside down, so the top is sticky. It's going to centralize the sticky off camera, but put that up there, and then when I release it, sticky stayed up there. And I'll put the other one in there, and that will just give a little bit of cushioning between the kickstand and the kick plate. So I put the 3 bolts in loosely, and now I've just got to nip them up, and we should be good to go. All right, job's a good one. Looks pretty nice, I think. I like it. I like these ripply, grippy edges. I like the satin finish and the embossed logo. When you put it up here, you see it's out of the way. It's not gonna foul your heel or anything like that. There we go. Don't know if that shows it any better really, but yeah, probably that height. So your heel, you know, even if you stick your toes on the pegs and your heel are out here, not fouling it at all. But when you put it down, my leg in the way. When you put it down, nice big footprint. So. Yep, cheap insurance and very easy to fit, 5 minutes. Okay, I don't know if you're new to my channel, but if you are, please consider subscribing and liking, all that good stuff. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. I have a brand new 2026 R1300R and R1300GS in my garage that are not even broken in yet, and just waiting for the weather to break a little bit. I will get out there and make a bit more riding content. So yeah, if you want to see that, subscribe, or if you know any friends that ride GSs or are interested in the new 1300R, by all means send them a link to my channel and subscribe. All right guys, thanks very much. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.